During summers, a traditional fan might not be enough to keep your room cool. If you don't have a central AC system, you might need to keep you cool with a mini air conditioner without worrying about the bills. You can move a mini portable air conditioner wherever you want to without dealing with any hard wiring or installation. Overwhelming mini air conditioners have hit the market, making it a daunting task to choose the best one. There are many products available to choose from best mini air conditioner, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best mini air conditioners from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Black Plus Decor Air Conditioner. This mini air conditioner comes with a robust design and quiet operation, with a cooling capability of around 8,000 BTU. It comes with adjustable fan speeds of around 65 degrees Fahrenheit in relaxed settings. Besides, this portable air conditioner is quick and straightforward to install. You need to roll it over using its wheels and fit it in any room with a sliding window or make a double hung. It comes with a remote control method with a self-timer duration of around 24 hours. The easy-to-use feature with the LED display controls the temperature precisely. It also cleans the filters easily without any professional help. Furthermore, this mini air conditioner comes with 3-in-1 functionality, meeting the ventilation and cooling needs. This compact air conditioner with 4 wheels and handles fits well to meet your needs. Lastly, it provides dry, cool, and fresh air, which prevents bacterial growth and humidity within the room. Number 2. Serene Life SLPAC10 Portable Air Conditioner. Enjoy relaxed, comfortable climate with Serene Life's portable mini air conditioner. This portable electric air conditioner comes with 1,150 wattages with a touch control method. It features a cooling power of around 10,000 BTU. It is lightweight, handy, and makes you feel cool at all times. It is indeed the perfect cooling solution for your home and office. Moreover, it comes with rolling wheels, which makes it highly portable. This portable air conditioner comes in 3 operating modes, which include fan, dehumidifier, and cooling effect. The built-in dehumidifier in this air conditioner reduces humidity, serves as a purifier, and eliminates allergens. Furthermore, the remote control and touch panel allow you to select appropriate functions. You can also adjust the sleep key. Number 3. Hebum Smallest Portable Air Conditioner. Next on our list is the smallest air conditioner on the market. This portable air conditioner is unique because it serves as a mini evaporative air conditioner, air cooler, and misting fan. Plus, it features 3 wind speeds having a cordless design. You can utilize this portable car air conditioner as a desktop cooler for your offices, home, camping tent, and more. This smallest air conditioner comes with adjustable wind speeds. It is designed with 3 different speed modes, which include low, medium, or high. This 3-in-1 air conditioner by Hebum is unique because it serves as a humidifier, air conditioner, and purifier. It comes with an evaporative cooling system. This latest technology draws in all hot air and passes it through a wet filter, leading to cool fresh air. Number 4. Midi Portable Air Conditioner. This mini window air conditioner is corded electric and comes with a cooling power of 5,000 BTUs. It offers a perfect cooling effect for a 150 square feet area. This air conditioner is ideal for cooling the entire apartment and office with additional comfort. This air conditioner allows effortless operation with 7 different temperature settings. It provides dual cooling or dual fans with direction cooling each time you switch it on. This mini compact window air conditioner is suitable for windows measuring 23 to 36 inches, with a minimum of 13 inches in height. This energy-efficient air conditioner helps in reducing energy costs. Moreover, it comes with washable filters which reduce room odors, bacteria, and airborne particles for a comfortable and safe environment. This mini air conditioner comes with 2-in-1 functionality, which means it works as an air conditioner plus fan mode to enhance home comfort. Number 5. Dell 8000 BTU 115V 60Hz Air Conditioner. Next up on our list is this smallest window air conditioner, which also works as a dehumidifier. This remote control air conditioner comes with 8,000 BTUs of cooling power. It is capable of cooling an area of around 300 to 350 square feet. This multifunctioning air conditioner serves as a dehumidifier and prevents bacterial growth too. It can take out 50 pine dehumidification in 24 hours. The 3-speed cooling fans make your room cool at all times according to your requirements. The LED display with a timer allows you to select your mode easily. The fan speed selection with 24 hours automatic timer makes it a perfect choice. Lastly, it comes with self-evaporation technology, which is an automatic one for long-term operation. You can use this air conditioner for homes, offices, and garages. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.